Hello and welcome back. In the last session, we have seen different operators. So far, we have covered until bitwise operator. Today, we are going to take a look at membership operators. Under membership operators, we have two operators, in and not in. So these membership operators are used to find a particular sequence within an object. So let us see an example of this membership operator. So let me comment out all the code which I have written earlier. Okay, membership operators. This in and not in. So let us define a list here. LST color. LST colors is equal to, say for example, red, blue, green. Now we can use in operator to check whether a particular color exists in this list. For example, print red in list colors. Okay, so this will give either true or false. These membership operators will return either true or false. So let me execute this. You can see a red is present in list colors. So let us try this now. Print yellow in list colors. Since yellow is not present, we should get a false. So as we have seen in now, so not in is exactly the reverse of this. So if I change this to not in, so far we got true and false. This will become false and true. Okay, exactly opposite of in. This membership operator can be used with list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So let us see, instead of list colors, we will add so in case of tuple, we use parenthesis. So I'll make this as tuple colors. So let me change from list to tuple. Okay, let me execute this. You should be getting the same result, false and true. So let us try in with this tuple. So this should give us the exact opposite result, which is true and false. Okay, the same thing can be used with set and dictionary. So you can try it out and let me know if you face any issues. Okay, let us move on to identity operators. Under identity operator, we have is and is not. So these identity operators are used to check if a particular object or if two objects are same or not in terms of memory location and in terms of contents. So let us look at identity operator example now. Is and is not. Okay, so let us take list colors again here. Okay, let me comment out membership operator now since we are done with that. And what I will do is I will copy this and then paste it again, and this I will make it as colors 1 and list colors 2. Okay, so let me define another variable. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. Okay, first let us print the memory location of these variables. LST colors 1 comma LST colors of 2. Okay, so let me add and now we'll do the same for X and Y. X and Y. Okay, so let us execute this first. Okay, the memory location of, sorry, I'm printing the values here, so I should have used ID here. Same ID here. Save this and re-execute. Okay, if you look at the memory location of list colors 1, that is 2256 2296, and list color 2 is 2256 3456. So even though the contents are same, the memory location pointed by list colors 1 is different to list colors 2. However, if you look at the memory location of this X and Y, which is numeric, which contains the same value, which is 10, they are pointing to the same location, 1351509312, and Y is also the same. Okay, so now we will use identity operator. So in case of list colors 1, if we check or if we use identity operator, list colors 1 is list colors 2. Print X is Y. So what should be the output of print of list colors 1 and list colors 2 and X and Y? Okay, so now since these two memory locations are different, so this will give us false even though the contents are same. However, if you look at X and Y, they both are pointing to the same memory location. I would expect this to give us the result as true. So let me execute this. Okay, the first one is false and the second one is true. Instead of list colors 2, let me comment this out, and what I will do is LST colors 2 is equal to list colors 1. So I am assigning list colors 1 to list colors 2. So now let us execute this and see what happens. Okay, now list colors 1 memory location is also same and the content is also same, and list colors 2 is pointing to list colors 1 memory location. So that is why we get true here. So let us change the value of y to 11. Now the value is different, so the memory location will be different. We should be getting false for the second one. Okay. So as I said earlier, identity operator is used to check whether a particular object or two objects are similar in terms of memory location as well as the content. Okay, same way we can also use is not, which is exactly opposite to whatever we have done so far. This will give you false as first result and true as the second result. Okay, let us try one more thing here. Print lst colors 1 equals lst colors 2. So let me comment out this particular part for this and uncomment list colors 2 with a list of values. Okay, and change y from 11 to 10. So let me also use x and y. So what do we expect from these two statements now? So since we have seen already is and is not, so if I use double equals, so what should be the result for these two? So let us execute and see. Okay, so this is true and this is true because this will check the content of that list colors 1 and compares it to the content of list colors 2. This won't go through the memory location. So that is why we get true here. Okay, so that is the difference between double equals and is operator. Okay, so far we have covered all the operators starting from arithmetic operators up until identity operator.